Hey guys, welcome back to Ken. On today's episode, we'll be continuing with the West Ham United rebuild. I believe this episode will be episode 12 of the West Ham United rebuild. So last episode, we left off with the Champions League games against Bayern Munich. And Bundesliga called started their ends and staying with the West Ham United rebuild, maybe for like another season after this. No matter like what happens, if we win it, if we don't win it, doesn't matter. I'm just want to see what we can do with West Ham United. Like I said, last episode we'll be finding another Cam. I think he's already on this. He's ready, and he's a start with Jesse Lingard. Like he's 28, but he could have been an option, or Mason Greenwood. He's 20. Can you put it? His pace is 90. That's 90 finishing. That is class. Or the striker, so we can do like a 4-3-3 formation of Tommy Abraham, or another menu player, which is what's his name? Anthony Martial. Yep, the Frenchman. Pace 90 to area ability 81. That is crack stats. Right? Okay. Just Felipe, you can come on. The check and the upbomb. There we go. That's gonna be a fun. This video is. So this is the game against Bayern Munich. See, we have a very strong team. Yep. Naby Gagliardini, Haller. So a lot of look at that. I can't play that. Let's give Young his first champion. Let's take off Gagliardini. Come on, please hold this, please. Let's go. Let's flip and go. Very strong, very strong. Let's see, Quarantine Galisa. We just got with attributes. Tackling 91. Yeah, 4 years. Oh, what's his attributes? Pace 96. Pace is 96. That's like a Timo Werner. Timo Werner. German striker for Chelsea. Yeah, we have Pablo. I'm not keen on telling Pablo. Notice you want to go to West Bromwich Albion. We are on a winning streak. I don't know how much of a winning streak, but all I know is that we are on a winning streak. And we are first cruising 7 points ahead. I can't think Liverpool. Declan Rice will get a or that. Their goalie is 50. Who is their regular goalie? Let me think a little bit. Who is the Wolves? Rui Patricio. So I'm guessing he is injured or something. Podence gets a goal. 6-1 strong win. So Neon took us a man of the match. 3 goals. That's good. 12 goals, and you can technically say 27 appearances, but I don't really count subbing as like the appearance. You can come back on. Last year, you can come on. Check. That. Boom. Oh, Diop is injured. I think I can bring in Declan Rice and just, yeah. His stamina is not good. I know a way that I can. Hold my. Jules Conde. His fitness is not looking good. Football League Norwich City, West Brom. Alright, I finished this. Yeah, so West Bromwich Albion. Or in ECL, one of them. So I should change the training to attacking training. Yeah. I don't know when our scout things are gonna come back. No way. I cannot have Atal injured. He is crucial. You just see that. Even though he doesn't have any really good stats, but you know. So they are all rested. Okay. want to try something. I want to go like that, go like that. Just want to give the upper little bit. They still have Kappa. They still have Thiago Silva in there. Let's get into this game against Chelsea. Come on. Okay, so no score. I'm gonna keep this team. Oh, Steve. Oh, I didn't know that. Steven. Something like that? No? Oh, whatever. Something like that. Oh, Kai Havertz, no. Oh, damn. Well, I forgot. Young was still on after that. I mean, he had a great performance, but trying to bring up Steven Bergwijn, that is kind of sad, guys. The scout report is back. Ooh, Anthony Martial. Okay, maybe. It's unlikely he would be interesting. Oh, that is. Let me see Jade. Okay, he would not fit. Phil Foden? Let's see, contract Woody. Oh, Phil Foden will not join. Oh, that is. So I need a. That did not work out well. So, we would. So, that would probably be the last one. So, we're just focused on getting attacking midfielder right now. I just want a young one. 26, 20. That's what we focus on. No country. England. Timo Werner, Pulisic. Dominic Calvert-Lewin. Giovanni Lo Celso. Robert Loftus-Cheek. I don't want to. No, I'm going to go for somebody else. Like somewhere else, yeah. Sterling, Vinicius Jr., Sumet Dembele, Jovic, Denis Ceballos, Chris Alenia, 78. Okay. Let's go to Italy. See anybody good? Arthur, Milinko Savic, also Andre Rabiot. Attributes: positioning, dribbling, long shots. Okay. Oh, Mikel. Contract. Did he just join? An important first thing. I don't think they'll go. No. Let's go to Germany, maybe. Bundesliga. Have anything? Okay. Oh, Nkunku. Yes, Nkunku. Yeah. I think. Okay, so I'm going to scout report on Nkunku. Or let's go to France. Or Renato Sanchez. Let's go for him. I've heard great news about this guy. Work rate's high. He's a rumor with a few trades in like real life. I think I'm just gonna scout those two. Let's see. Champions League, what is this? Group stage. We always suspect opposite, but we're also looking to do other things. Okay, that's a fair statement. Let's get done with this game. This will be the last game. Oh, this Renato Sanchez is on this team. Oops. I didn't know that. It's tied 1 apiece. Let's bring on Diop for this is the top. Let's go like that. Okay, and then yes, David. Oh my god, I was like backfire. We scored, they scored. Like we scored and they scored. Wow. So let's see what we're looking at. What we're looking at right now. Okay, so we and Bayern Munich. Oh, they barely go through. We crushed the group stage. Oh, you guys ready for a draw? West Ham United defeating against and it's gotta be Tottenham Hotspur. Jose Mourinho's Tottenham Hotspur. We have beat them many times. Let's look at the team. Score trick, not line up. Alexander Disov, Kazakina, Nunez, not that team just take Jamie Vardy. Well, you guys just saw our Champions League U6, round of 16 draw. It's not the worst, I mean, but can never underestimate Tottenham Hotspur. If you guys would like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below anything you guys want. Hope you guys have a great day. Peace out.